Hey, it's Scott with Donut's Garage. How you doing today? In this video, we're going to change out a steering box in a Jeep Wrangler JK. So stay tuned. Before we jump into this week's video, I'd like to invite you to the Midwest #1 Adventure and Travel Consumer Show, the More Overlanding and Off-Road Expo. It'll be held April 21st through 22nd, 2023 at the Ozark Empire Fairgrounds in Springfield, Missouri. Be sure to use the code DUNNAGEGAR10 for 10% off your ticket prices, and we look forward to seeing you there because we will be there as the storyteller. Now let's get to the video. Alright, Brian's got a steering box going out in his Jeep. We're going to take care of it today. It's cold, it's blustery, so let's pull it in the garage. Brian just recently bought this Jeep and has been working at personalizing it and taking care of some of the issues that are inherent with some of these older Jeeps. And today it's the steering box, and as you're about to see, that is one greasy, dirty steering box, and this is actually after it was power washed. So yuck, that is nasty.
Dang. Who Hercules this thing on here? There we go.
And that's why it's cooler than you. And drop it. Perfect. Over here.
There.
Need to back it off some more?
No, we're in. We're good. It's stuck.
Here we're working on the steering column to steering box bolt. It's a 13mm, I believe, and you kind of got to get into it from the bottom, but there we go. Yeah, and please don't tell the mother-in-law where her turkey baster is. Yeah, that could get us in trouble.
Is he going to be able to get things organized? That's 3/4. That's going to be a 19 mil.
That fits, but it's loose.
Kind of thinking, Matt, I need to get one of those lights that go all the way across the hood on the bottom side that shine down when you're working on your...
You talking about like a strip light or something?
Yeah, but they have them, mechanics have them that clip here and across and just go straight down.
They go across?
You must not get the Cooler Than You tool magazine.
I don't think I've seen anything like that.
You must not get the Cooler Than You tool magazine.
All real men subscribe to the Cooler Than You tool magazine, Matt. You're slacking.
Yeah.
You may have a couple of the Cooler Than You tools, but you don't have the catalog to dream about it.
Yeah. You're not in the know.
No, I just got people to tell me about it. See? And then if I'm interested, I'll look them up.
Oh, so you're cooler than the Cooler Than You magazine, huh? You think you're above it?
I let everybody else do my research.
1, 2,
4.
3, 4.
This thing's gonna be pretty heavy too.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty heavy. One.
I got. Is that it?
Yep, you're free.
Okay. A lot. It's a greasy mess.
Yes, it is. I don't want to have to deal with trying to get that cap off that. Get back up in there.
There. Think we're in it.
Yeah, it looks like it's in place.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just gonna run this in a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, you're good.
We're good?
Yeah, you're good.
Thanks, man. Can you see it?
Thinking we should start the hoses with the box loose. That way we can.
Oh, good, the instructions.
Throw those away, we don't need them.
Before you hook the power steering hoses back up the power steering box, make sure to replace the O-rings that came in the kit. Lost the cap like he lost his sanity.
I lost that a long time ago. I threw that overboard. But, yeah, he said he'd like to get him shot. Like that?
Yeah. I'd probably just run them in first before I cook too much.
Maybe the cooler and mutual is getting tired.
Yeah. Hope it's the quality of the steering box. You sure would hate to put it on and then have something, you know, have to leave.
Matt?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be fun to get that track bar back on. Oh, that's it? Oh, hang on.
You're there.
Hold on, let me. Okay. Just wanted to make sure.
Make sure you grease up your bushings, that way the bolts don't rust and become permanently attached to the bushing. I had to rebuild bushings and half the bolts were frozen in the bushings. I had to cut them all out.
Get a what?
We could have used that impact.
You still can.
Yeah, you almost did, I think, aren't you? The way of the monkey.
And now it's just simply bleeding out the system. All you do is run the steering back and forth several times to circulate the fluid through. We did it with the engine off and the Jeep jacked up, and then we also did it with the Jeep running, and it took us a while, but we finally got it all bled out. Doesn't leak. All in all, we're happy, but I think we do have a power steering pump that's starting to go bad, so maybe in an upcoming video we'll tackle that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, you fix the Jeep fixes you. What's it gonna do?
It's gonna go,